Part 40. Electric AC motors, single phase AC motors and other three phase AC motors. Single phase AC motors, here three part: commutator type motor, number 1, number 2 synchronous type motor, and number 3 induction type motor. Here commutator type motor, number 1 universal motor AC and DC, discussed already 31, lecture 31. Here part 2 repulsion motor, repulsion plane type motor, discuss L32. Repulsion induction type motor, discuss L33. And repulsion start induction motor, discuss L34. Number 2 synchronous type motor. Permanent magnet motor, discussed L35. Stated pole type motor, discuss L36. Hysteresis motors, discuss L37. And reluctance motor, discuss L38. Number 3 induction type motor, here squirrel cage motors. Split phase type motor are discussed 39 discussed. Now discussed here capacitor run motor, now discussed here. 3A to single phase induction motor as squirrel cage rotor are L40. Capacitor run motor, here capacitors are continuously energized with both windings are connected, resulted in a higher power factor in competition to the other motor. The two windings, main or running and other starting winding, permanently in series with starting winding on running condition. The rotor squirrel cage are used. It is low torque motor. It's called permanent capacitor motor. It's used for small pump, ceiling fan, table fan, etc. Here diagram 2-pole permanent capacitor motor diagram. This is the starting winding here. This is starting winding, 2-pole here, and other side running winding, here running winding, 2-pole. This is the rotor. This is the rotor, is the laminated coat fitted here, and this is a non-magnetic material as copper or aluminum strip. Here the total interior rotor in setup and rotor shaft here. Here running winding, here the connected here one loop, another loop may start in winding, starting winding, and here the starting winding. This is a running winding, 2 running winding. Running winding, 2 loop, 1 loop here another loop to connect it here. May starting, finishing. There finishing and out, starting. Similar, same. Starting winding, finishing here, connected, and starting here, output. Running and starting, two loops are connected, lifeline, and other starting winding and running winding, in between connected a capacitor, the neutral, the AC here. AC supply. RW is running winding, SW is starting winding, RO is equal to rotor, squirrel cage, RO, starting winding, running winding, SF is the rotor shaft, C is the capacitor, L is the lifeline, N is equal to neutral line. Here diagram, two pole motor is equal RPM, rotation per minute, electrical degree into frequency by pole. The electricity is 120 into frequency by pole is equal to 100 into 50 by 2, 3000 RPM, and slip 4%. 120, 3000 minus 120, 2880 RPM rotation per minute. It is a diagram, two pole permanent capacitor type motor diagram.